Hey everyone, how's it going? In today's video, I want to show you guys how to draw Hail Mary. Now, Hail Mary is a kaiju from the new Amazon Prime show Invincible, and I thought it would be fun to show you guys how to draw what she looks like. So I hope you guys follow along and enjoy this video today. Now, to start off with Hail Mary, we're going to begin with the mouth. So I'm going to begin right here, and I'm just going to make a little line. It's just going to go down, and then it's going to come down like this. Next, I'm going to make a little line that's going to curve, and it's going to come down. Next, I'm going to make about 4 little bumps across here. Starting right here, I'm going to add a long little tooth and another long tooth here, with a little smaller one here and a smaller one here. Next, I'm going to make a line that comes across here and then up. And I'm going to make a couple little bumps here. I'm going to add a couple bigger teeth in the middle and then a couple smaller ones on the side. Next, we're going to make a little line that comes up here. I'm also going to add a small circle with a couple little teeth right around the edge here, and I'm just going to color this circle in, show that there are more teeth around there. Next, I'm going to make a little curved line here, and a little curved line here. Now, starting here, I want to make a line that's going to come down, it's going to go over and then up. Starting right here, we're going to make one of those tentacles. So I'm going to make a little line that's going to go out. It's going to come around and then down. Starting here, I'm going to make a line that's going to go up. It's going to curve around to here. And then I'm just going to bring it back down to here, kind of follow that same pattern. I'm going to start my next one up here. I'm going to draw a line that's going to come up. I'm going to go down. Now I'm going to just kind of follow that same pattern, and we're going to bring it down to here. I'm going to make another one right here. Just going to curve around. And we'll follow that same pattern, keeping it nice and skinny at the end and then wider as it comes back to the head. We're going to make another one here. It's going to go up and down and then back up. Then we'll just follow that same pattern. And this one we're going to bring right towards the mouth. Then starting here, I'm going to make a little line. It's going to be just kind of wavy, and then it's going to come back to here. And I'm going to connect it right to there. Starting here, I'm going to make a line that's going to go down, it's going to go over, and then it's going to come up. Right here, I'm going to make a line that's going to come down, and it's going to jump over that tentacle right to here. Next, I'm going to make a line that's going to go up and down. And then I want to start the arm. So I'm going to begin by making a curved line that's going to come down to here. And then one that goes down and then back up. We'll make a line that goes out and then down. And right here we'll make one that goes down and then over. We're going to make a line that's going to come down. And then one here that's going to go out, and then it's going to come down. Next, I'm going to make a line that's going to go over, it's going to come down, and then over. Make another one that's going to go down and over. One more here. And then I'm going to go over, and I'm going to bring it up to here. And then I'm going to make a little line right over here. Now, right here by the jaw, I'm going to make a little line that comes in. I want to make one that goes down, and it's going to come over. Make a little line that goes down here, and one that goes out and then in. Another one that goes out and in. And one more is going to come down here. Make a little line that's going to go down and over. Another one goes down and over. One more here. And then I'm going to make one more right here, and we're going to bring it up. Next, I'm going to make a line that's going to go up and in. And then it's going to just curve up here. Starting here, we're going to make a line that's going to go down and it's going to come over. One more right here, and then one that's just going to go down to here. Now, starting up here, we're going to make a line that's going to go down. It's going to go out and in. We're going to go down and then bring it over. Then right here, I'm going to make a line that's going to go down and over. I'll make a little circle shape here and then one more here. Then I'm going to bring it up and over, up, and then a little line right here. Now starting here, I'm going to bring a line up. I'm going to leave a little bit of space and bring it down. Leave a little space again, and I'm going to bring this down and then bring it down here. I'm going to draw a little line that's going to go out and then down. I'm going to make one that's going to curve here. Another one that curves out and then down. I'm going to draw a line that's going to go down, it's going to come to a point and then back. One more here. We're going to go up here, then we're going to go out, and then over to here. Now we just want to come in here and add some of the different details. So let's start with some of the spikes. So I'm going to start by making a line that's going to go up and down, and it's going to curve around. We'll do another one here, up and down, and we'll curve around. We can add a smaller one here. I'm going to put one right here, and we'll make another one right here. I'll also put one that goes up and down, kind of behind this tentacle. We're going to have a big one here, and we'll put two over here, then a really big one back here. I'm going to put a triangle one here, and we'll do a couple more on each side with a couple tiny ones. Then I'll do a pointy one here and a pointy one here with a couple more over here. I'm going to make one that curves down here, and then I'll make a little line that's going to curve to here. I'll make a little line here and then one more right there. And inside of here, we're just going to add some little tiny circle shapes just to make it look like they're little suction cups, like these are big tentacles on her face. And we're just going to make some little details on here. So I'm just going to add these all along the edge here. Now, we've got a couple more details to add. I'm going to bring this line up. Then starting up here, I'm going to draw a line that comes down. It's going to curve down and then go to here. Then I'm going to add one that goes down and then to here. I'm going to make a line that comes down here and one that comes into here. I'll make a line down here and then one here. And then one here. I'm also going to draw a little line that comes up. And we'll make another one that comes up here. Next, we just want to add some little curved lines on here for some of the claws and toes. We'll add a couple little ones here. And a couple little lines. And we're going to put one here and then one more here. And then we'll add these here. And there you go. There is your drawing of Hail Mary from Invincible. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed.